Yeah, it's that Zetsubo, no Shima flow. Yeah.
Hey, what's up, you guys? So we all know Halloween is around the corner. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. I'll be starting off with the Anastasia Beverly Hill Dip Brow, and I'm just going to apply it all over my brows. I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hill concealer to conceal my eyebrows. The next thing that I'm going to be using is this eyeliner from the dollar store. Even though it's from the dollar store, it's really not that bad. But I'll be using it for my eyes, my nose, my whiskers, the top lip, and the line, like a little line. You guys will just have to see. So, yeah. Guys, this part was the hardest thing to do. I'll be using a black pencil to darken my waterline. I'll be applying some fake eyelashes. Like I said, I'm not the best at it, but you guys, I tried, okay? Now I'll be creating a cat nose. This is the line that I was telling you guys that I was gonna do. I'll be dragging it all the way down to my bottom lip and then filling it in. I may or may not have messed up right there. I'll be adding some more cat features, including these little dots and the whiskers.
Even though you are
I'll be lastly applying some highlighter to finish up the look. And bam! There we have it, you guys. If you guys enjoyed this makeup look, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you guys on the next time. Bye, guys!